Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will update our Destructible vehicle project from Unreal Engine 5.0.3 to Unreal Engine 5.2 or 5.3. After we update, I will show how to make our project working again. And we will migrate the project to another empty project. Before we update the project, I want you to copy the project and place it somewhere safe, because after we update it might get some error and sometimes we cannot fix. Let's switch Unreal Engine version to 5.2. You can switch to 5.3 and click OK. We wait for generating project files. And now let's open this. And we have a lot of error. Destructible vehicle, destructible runtime, sensor grid, and following module are missing. Yes. And we get error said that destructible vehicle could not be compiled. Try repair from source manually. Okay. And we try to generate Visual Studio project file. Go to destructible vehicle.sln. Go to destructible vehicle.u project and close this. We get error because of this CitySampleSensorGrid, so let's disable it and set it to false. This plugin and save it, and let's play. Now we can open the project in Unreal Engine 5.2. We get the warning said that missing project setting. And let's open project setting. And all setting, search for SM6 and enable it and restart. Close this project setting. Now we are in the Unreal Engine 5.2. You can use 5.3, it's the same. And when we play, we get this error from BP car interaction. Let's open this. Click on BP car interaction. And we find out that the warp target transform node is having the error. So call add or update warp target and split warp target. Copy this interact name and paste it inside this warp target name. And connect this location to the location rotation to warp target rotation. And delete this error function. And compile. Now we don't have any error. And let's save all. And play. you can see that the make material is not working because we disable the plugin of sensor grid, so it doesn't have the sensor to detect the make when it get hit. And besides that, everything is working fine. Exit the vehicle. Now we need to know why the city sample vehicle grid plugin is not working when we update the engine. Go to Visual Studio. Inside this game, go to plugin and CitySampleSensorGrid. We open the source, CitySampleSensorGrid. And this one, we open the Niagara data interface of this CitySampleSensorGrid. And this. And you can see we include the Niagara data interface .h. And inside this sensor grid, I get a lot of error because this in 5.2 engine, I have to go to option and editor symbol for debug. You can click on this and apply it, and you download this editor symbol for debugging. It will help you to detect the error inside this Visual Studio. And inside this Niagara data interface, C++, we don't have this definition of Niagara data interface state act. Go to your engine, where you install your engine, UE 5.2, engine, plugins, FX, Niagara, this Niagara, and go to source, Niagara core, public, and this Niagara data interface base. This is the Niagara data interface base for Unreal Engine 5.2. And you can compare it with Unreal Engine 5, engine, plugins, FX, Niagara, source, Niagara core, public, and this Niagara data interface base. Inside the Niagara data interface base of Unreal Engine 5, we have this Niagara data interface act struct, and we have the define, implement, declare Niagara D parameter. But for the 5.3, we don't have this struct. It's only to create the shader parameter, create shader storage. So it caused the error because of this update, the difference of these two engines. We can fix it by download the CitySample project in version 5.2 or 5.3 and use the plugin of that version. You can download the plugin the CitySampleGrid link in the description below. No need to download the full project. After you download it, you can extract it here and copy all of these plugin and go to your new update project. Go to plugin and inside the CitySampleSensorGrid, delete this plugin. Delete it and paste this new version inside it. And you can close the project and generate Visual Studio project file. Let's open this new project. And now go to plugin project and enable the CitySampleSensorGrid plugin and restart now. We have this error. But we still can open this. Now you can see the make material of this vehicle. You can see the scratch on the paint and this glass breaking pattern. Now we successfully update the project from Unreal Engine 5.0.3 to Unreal Engine 5.2. You can follow the same step to update it to Unreal Engine 5.3. Now I will show you how to migrate this project to your own project or another empty project. A quick reminder again, you should copy your own project to the safe place because when you migrate, it might entirely bug your project and you cannot fix it again. Go to Game, Third Person, and this blueprint. The project name is empty project. And change this location to somewhere that you want to put it. And create. First, you have to go to plugin and we enable the plugin that we use for the project. Search for chaos vehicle. Enable this. Yes. And Niagara fluid. Moto scene. Moto scene for the vehicle engine sound. And motion warping. Your meta sound is not enabled, you have to enable it. And we restart. And we change this project to C++ project by add new C++ character, next, public my character and create class. Click OK. Yes. Now close this. And close Unreal Engine. Go to your empty project. But now you don't have the custom plugin of the Destructible vehicle project yet. So go to Destructible Vehicle project, and this is the plugin. Copy and paste it inside empty project. And now generate Visual Studio project file and open this empty project. Click yes. And go to plugin project and enable this CitySampleSensorGrid and restart now. Next, you need the custom anim graph node. Go to Destructible Vehicle and open this Destructible Vehicle SLN. For this Destructible Vehicle source, open this Destructible Vehicle.h. Delete this. Destructible Vehicle.cpp. And this one is Destructible Vehicle.beer.cs. Go to empty project. Go to empty project.sln and open this. Go to source. Open this empty project.cpp and it's correct. Open this empty project.beer.cs and we have to add private dependency module names. Copy from this and enter this and paste it here. And save. Next, inside this empty project source, and new folder. Folder name is empty project runtime. And from this Destructible Vehicle source, Destructible Vehicle runtime, copy this and paste it here and add folder. The first is private and the second is public. Public for the header and the private for CPP file. And rename this to your project name is empty project runtime, the same as this file name. This one, empty project runtime header, and empty project runtime.cpp, and we generate Visual Studio project file. Open this empty project.sln and click OK. Go to source and we see this new folder, empty project runtime. And we go to empty project runtime header.cpp, close this and change this to empty project runtime.h, and this name is empty project runtime, empty project runtime, and save. Open .bl.cs. Change this to empty project runtime, and this public empty project runtime. And this module name dependency empty project. Save. Go to empty project editor.target.cs. For this extra module name, we add this new folder empty project runtime. Save. And empty project.target.cs. The same as before. Add empty project runtime and save. And for this empty project.u project, we copy from here and enter, paste it. We add comma. The name is empty project runtime. And this additional dependency, you should add anim graph, comma, and these two, anim graph, and save. And we close this empty project, close this, and we generate Visual Studio project again. Open this U project file and click yes to rebuild, and it's working. To see if it is working or not, let's compile, and line coding succeed. It compiles successfully. Close this again and go to Destructible vehicle, source, Destructible vehicle private, and copy this anim node, copy post rotation. Paste it to the empty project private and paste this. And then public anim node, copy post rotation.h, and go to this public and paste. And we generate Visual Studio. Open empty project.sln. Go to empty project and public anim node, copy post rotation. Close all of this and struct. We rename it to F empty project bone source to target mapping, and destruct, rename it to empty project bone source setting, and this one is empty project API, the name of our project and API. And change this to F empty project bone source to target mapping. And here key map fmt project phone source settings, and we save. Go to anim node, copy post rotation CPP. And you can find this error here. The line 188 fmt project. And line 280 fmt project. And save. And let's play. And now let's compile the project. It compiled successfully. And close it again. Close this. Go to Destructible vehicle. And this Destructible vehicle runtime. Go to private and copy this C++ file. Go to empty source, empty project runtime, private, and this public. Copy this header file and this public. Now generate Visual Studio project files. Open this empty project.sln. And inside this empty project runtime, we open the public anim graph node copy post rotation. Include empty project. This is the name of our project, and we save. Go to private anim graph node. And this is correct. Nothing we can change. Let's play. And compile again. It's success. So we already add the custom anim graph node. We have to test it by go to character, mannequin, animation, ABP menu, and anim graph. Search for copy rotation, post rotations. And this is the custom anim graph node that we create. And we need to migrate. Go to Destructible vehicle and open that Destructible vehicle project. Before you migrate, make sure that it have the same version of the engine, so it might not cause a lot of error. When you compile, you can see this warning because we use this skeletal mesh. it is from the last version node. So get skeletal mesh asset instead of this. Get skeletal mesh asset. And go to vehicle 3, this blueprint, BP vehicle base, and this one we also have the warning, get skeletal mesh asset. Get skeletal mesh asset. Compile, and no more error, and we save all. And to migrate the project, we have to select all this folder inside the content, right click, migrate, and we don't migrate this chaos car class. Migrate all of this game folder. You need to close the empty project before you migrate, and also the Visual Studio, and click OK. And find empty project, go to content, and select folder. It's warning that it will override the third-person character inside that project. If it is your own project, you should be careful with this because it will lose your logic inside this third-person character. And apply to all and click yes. We crash our Destructible vehicle project, close without sending. Go to empty project and open this empty project, and go to project setting, map, and set this map to vehicle map. And then go to vehicle, open the vehicle map, and let's play. But we can control our character. Go to third person, blueprint, BP third person, and this input is from Unreal Engine 5. So we have to change it to the new enhanced input. To fix the third person character input, we have to create a new project inside Unreal Engine 5.2 or 5.3 that have the enhanced input function. Open it. Then go to character, blueprint, third person character. Copy this input and go to third person character, delete all of these events and paste it. And this is the begin play. So move it, the begin play event here, and create a sequence. Let it to this has to delete this event and compile. Now we fix it. Let's save all. And let's play test. Now we still can control our character. Because this mapping we not just set it to IMC default. Compile and let's play test. Now we can control our character. And when we go inside the car, the door of this vehicle is not open. It's not play the animation. Go to this vehicle and vehicle 3 animation, this AVP proxy, and we're missing this node copy post rotation. And we have to set this bone mapping. Open Destructible vehicle project and open this. Go to vehicle 3 animation ABP proxy, copy post rotation and copy this bone mapping. Open the empty project and paste it inside bone mapping and set use attach parent. Compile and save all. Let's play. So inside the vehicle, now the door can open. But when we turn, the vehicle is not stable. It's caused by the center of mass of this vehicle. Go to vehicle, blueprint, go to this vehicle base and search for center of mass offset. This center of mass override and set this Z to 0. Compile and save all. Let's compile this. If it have any error, we don't have, and play test. Go to the vehicle. And the map is looking dark because of the post-processing. Go to post-process volume and search for exposure. And set this min EV100 to -5. And let's play. Now it have brighter light. If you have the same problem as mine, you can see this black square on the texture. You can go to this material. This vehicle 13 and it caused by this mass tech MFPI, the dirt, the dust and the damage. To fix this, you have to go to project setting or setting and search for virtual texture and enable this virtual texture support. And when you enable, click restart now. Now everything is working fine, and we have migrated it to another project. This is the end of our tutorial, and thank you very much for my patrons member who are supporting me. I really appreciate your generous support, and thank you very much for watching. If you like this tutorial, please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in the future tutorial.